Today I am making Brescian cookies, which are large cookies. These are the ingredients: 200 g of sugar, 1 packet of vanilla, 100 g of butter, grated lemon, 1 whole egg and 3 yolks, 50 g of milk, 10 g of ammonia, and half a kilo of flour. Now I add the sugar, the butter, the lemon, and the vanilla all together, and I mix for a moment. I just whipped some sugar with butter and everything. Now I am slowly adding your I added the ammonia to the milk and mixed it to dissolve. Now I am adding it with the eggs. Now I am adding the flour. Now I add the flour. Hey, the eggs. But I carefully put the dough into the piping bag, ensuring it is fitted with a large nozzle to create the perfect shape for each cookie. On top of each one, I sprinkle a bit of sugar semolina, which adds a delightful crunch and sweetness to the cookies. Then I place them back in the preheated oven to bake at a consistent temperature of 170 degrees Celsius. After precisely 15 minutes, the cookies are perfectly baked and ready to be enjoyed. You will find the detailed recipe and more tips on blog.it, where I share all my baking secrets.